Stella, get into it, man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Stella, and this channel is for you on your journey of growth and alignment with your higher self. Today, we're going to be talking about my favorite wellness and spiritual products. And I actually made something specifically for you guys. I made an ebook called Unclouded. It's a 3-day clarity cleanse, like a guide basically for 3 days on practices and things that you could do to boost your energy so you feel rejuvenated and refreshed and like yourself again. Or if you feel like you've been in a rut, or if you feel like you've been better, this ebook is for you guys. Please check it out. It's on the first link in the description. You don't need sage, you don't need crystals, you just need yourself, you need some time, and you need to be present. I'm gonna get number one out the way because I think it's easy, but the Bible. Number two, tea. My favorite tea right now is probably green tea, and I'm feeling like I'm starting to feel like orange teas. Other than that, chamomile. Number three, sound bowls. I really wanted to get a quartz sound bowl. They are more on the pricey side because they're made out of crystal, but sound bowls are really healing. They also have metal ones, so I'm looking into getting a metal one for the time being. But sound bowls, I did actually a paper on this in university about the healing effects of sound bowls and being around when sound bowls are being played. I really would love to have a sound bowl for myself. I think that's like gonna be my next thing that I look into. Number four, my next favorite wellness item. Guys, my bed. Invest in your bed, invest in your room, invest in your house, invest in where you take refuge, because it is your wellness spot that you're creating. It's the energy that you're building. It's the energy that you're multiplying in your home. And as an extension, be careful about who you bring into your home, into your environment, into your life, into your energy, into your circle. Next is a notebook and a pen. Honestly, I always tell like my friends, like journal, like writing things down. Sometimes you don't have to say it. Sometimes you don't have to feel like you have no outlet or you're not being heard, because sometimes you just write it down and you're like, wait, I feel so much better. Sometimes you don't even have to send something after you write it because you're like, wait, I just had to like get that out, write it down, text it out, but you don't have to send it. And someone told me one time, just write it in your notes app. Sometimes when you're like upset or you have something to say, put it in your notes app. And that works. But let me tell you, when you write something down, pen to paper, it feels so different. But that's why you have to be careful. Job 22:28. When you decree a thing, so it shall be. You have to be careful what you're writing down. You have to be careful what you're outputting, because what you say in moments of frustration, what you say in moments of happiness, what you say in moments of gratitude, what you say in moments of confusion, the things that you're decreeing. Use the tool of pen and paper for beautiful things, and a pen or a pencil and a notebook and a journal to decree beautiful things, right? Sometimes it's good to write down what you're thinking and what you're feeling, and that's good. The perspective of how you write it down is very important. And I've scripted things that actually came true the same night. It's crazy when I tell you, like, I wrote something down specifically how my night would play out, and it played out exactly how I wrote it down, literally just how before I went out. I'm telling you, there's power in that, but it's not power from your strength, is power from God. What you believe is even possible over your life and over you, and the things that what you believe and what you say, if you actually believe what you write or not. My next favorite wellness product is fruits, because I love smoothies. So that's just an easy one. I just make like I grew up, my mom, she makes smoothies all the time. So she would always offer me one. I grew up drinking a lot of smoothies. I think that's why I love smoothies so much. Fun fact. My next favorite wellness product is essential oils. Essential oils right now, I really like lavender, lemon, rosemary, and tea tree oil. A lot of them I mix with my hair oil, with like a base hair oil, I mix it in. But lavender oils, you could also use it in a diffuser. You could also use it in your hair. You could also use it on your skin. As I go along, all the products will be listed in the description below. If you're interested in anything that I'm saying, go ahead and check it out after that ebook. After you guys grab your free ebook, go ahead and check out all the products I'm talking about if you're interested in any of them. But My next favorite wellness product, I don't personally have one of these, but sometimes I find myself, or I used to find myself just watching these videos, but a Zen garden kit. And I wouldn't be ashamed to get one. I would actually love one. Actually, now that I think about it, a Zen garden kit, I just think it's kind of calming and it's so cool. People who could do calligraphy really nice when they write in that. I've seen people like tip on TikTok, people that do the calligraphy in the Zen garden, $50. I was like, give me a Zen garden and a pencil. I'll write your name. I will. My next favorite wellness product is a yoga mat. I actually need to get my own yoga mat for here. But my next favorite wellness product is a dry brush. A dry brush is like you use it before your shower for lymphatic drainage. I have one. I used to use it like more frequently than I do now, but I think that's like super good for wellness. All these products that I'm listing are going to be in the description, by the way, underneath the ebook guide that I made for you guys. After you check out the free ebook, go ahead and check out all the products linked in the description. It's just a link to them. So if you're interested in anything I'm talking about, you could easily find it in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stella, get into it, man.